Queen Camilla gives rare update on King Charles' health amid his cancer treatment. Queen Camilla shared an upbeat update about how King Charles is doing as he continues treatment for cancer. On September 3, the Queen, 77, offered a rare comment on her husband's health during her visit to open the new state-of-the-art Dyson Cancer Center at the Royal United Hospital in Bath, England. The Royal United Hospital provides cancer care to over 500,000 people in southwest England, and Suzy Moon of the Macmillan Partnership asked the Queen about how King Charles was feeling during her stop at the Macmillan Wellbeing Hub. "He is doing very well," Queen Camilla said, according to the Mirror. Welcome to Royal Pancakes. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, so you don't miss any news about the British monarchy. The Macmillan Wellbeing Hub is a non-clinical space designed to provide practical and emotional support to patients, families and carers. Elsewhere during the visit, the Royal met patients and clinical staff in the Medlock unit and William Budd inpatient ward. Queen Camilla may have referenced her husband again during a conversation with Paul Holdway, 55, a nurse and patient receiving a stem cell treatment for blood cancer. According to the Mirror, the Queen asked Holdway how he was feeling, to which he replied, "I am feeling very tired." To this, the Queen cheekily responded, "Men won't admit it." The Mirror reported that the remark was delivered with a touch of humor. Queen Camilla sometimes shares brief words about her husband's health as he continues cancer treatment, often with wit and warmth. During the second annual Queen's Reading Room Literary Festival at Hampton Court Palace on June 8, she told author Lee Child that the King is doing fine except he won't slow down and won't do what he's told, The Sun reported. In February, Buckingham Palace announced that the sovereign was diagnosed with cancer following his treatment for a benign enlarged prostate in January. A spokesman clarified he does not have prostate cancer. After a 3-month period of postponing public-facing duties on doctor's advice, but continuing to work behind the scenes, the King, 75, resumed forward-facing work on April 30 with a visit to a cancer centre in London alongside Queen Camilla. While site of the visit, the University College Hospital Macmillan Cancer Center has not been directly involved in the monarch's medical care, highlighting the importance of early detection was one of the reasons King Charles went public with his cancer diagnosis. A spokesperson for Buckingham Palace previously said this decision was made in the hope it may assist public understanding for all those around the world who are affected by cancer. When the monarch's return to work was announced in late April, the palace described the King's treatment as ongoing and shared a positive sentiment from his doctors. His Majesty's treatment program will continue, but doctors are sufficiently pleased with the progress made, so far that the King is now able to resume a number of public-facing duties. Forthcoming engagements will be adapted when necessary to minimize any risks to His Majesty's continued recovery, a Buckingham Palace spokesperson said. The palace didn't disclose when his treatment might be completed. It is too early to say, but His Majesty's medical team are very encouraged by the progress made so far and remain positive about the King's continued recovery, the spokesperson said. The King proceeded to pack in a busy summer schedule, from travelling to France to commemorate the 80th anniversary of the D-Day landings and appearing at Trooping the Colour in June, attending the state opening of Parliament in July and kicking off a traditional summer stay at Balmoral Castle in Scotland in August where Prince William, Kate Middleton, and other members of the royal family were expected to gather. The Princess of Wales, 42, is also undergoing treatment for cancer and has been out of the limelight for much of the summer. King Charles' most recent engagement was a stop on August 31 at the Royal Horticultural Society of Aberdeen's 200th Flower Show in Aberdeen, Scotland, not far from Balmoral. Looking ahead, he and the Queen have a major trip on the calendar this fall with plans to visit Australia and Samoa in what will be the first tour to Commonwealth countries of his royal reign. The British royals historically keep a lower profile around this time of year for a relatable reason: they're often away on vacation. Kate Middleton, Prince William, King Charles, Queen Camilla and more typically take private vacations between July and August to relax and recharge before the fall. As Princess Kate, 42, and King Charles, 75, both continue to undergo treatment for cancer, a palace insider previously told People that the royal family's annual visit to Balmoral in August was still on the calendar. She won't have to be on centre stage, the palace insider told People about the Princess of Wales' low-key summer plans. Being with her family and just being herself will give her energy. There will be plenty of time to focus on her recovery. While Balmoral Castle in Aberdeenshire, Scotland, is synonymous with Queen Elizabeth's summer retreats, the neighbouring Birkhall estate is lesser known on royal radars. Queen Victoria's husband Prince Albert bought the property shortly after he purchased Balmoral, and its 50,000-acre enclave, in 1852, Country Life reported. King Charles inherited Birkhall following the death of his beloved grandmother Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Mother, in 2002, and reportedly honeymooned there with Camilla in 2005. The couple is known to spend summers at the 18th-century home, and Charles was interviewed there for the 2018 documentary Prince, Son and Heir, Charles at 70. 2.5 hours from London is the King and Queen's family home in Gloucestershire, England, known as Highgrove House. The property was purchased in 1980, and is owned by the Duchy of Cornwall. Charles, an ardent gardener, has worked diligently on Highgrove's grounds for 4 decades, which he designed to please the eye and sit in harmony with nature. Since the early 1980s, he has invited groups, schools and charities to tour the gardens, and used the home to host briefings and receptions. Just 15 minutes down the road from Highgrove is Ray Mill House, Queen Camilla's private residence in Wiltshire. According to The Sun, she purchased the property in 1996 following her divorce from Andrew Parker Bowles and lived there until 2003. Though she has access to Charles' vast portfolio of real estate, Ray Mill House is said to hold a special place in her heart and serve as a favourite gathering place for children and grandchildren. Fans got a glimpse of the gardens in 2022 when Camilla graced, and guest-edited, a special edition of Country Life, calling on Kate to take her picture. Princess Kate and Prince William are known to frequent the Isles of Scilly during the summer months with Prince George, 11, Princess Charlotte, 9, and Prince Louis, 6. The Prince of Wales has long visited the islands off the southwest tip of England and vacationed there as a boy with Princess Diana, the future King Charles and Prince Harry. Embracing island energy, William and Kate surprised locals a few summers ago when they biked around Tresco with their kids. William and Kate were riding their bicycles, having a laugh. They looked so happy enjoying the weather. I did do a double take. They were really friendly and said hello, an onlooker told the Daily Mirror. During a solo work trip to the Isles of Scilly in May, Prince William reportedly joked, "My family are very upset I'm here without them," and took home Cornish pastries as a savoury souvenir, the Daily Mail said.